Hello, my name is Ivan. I am going to brief explain what is Ubuntu is the new version 21.10. Explain is the characteristic and how to download it. If what you are seeing is the background is the Ubuntu 21.10. Ubuntu is the operating system now free, designated and programmed by users anywhere in the world. Ubuntu is the motto says Ubuntu we are all. Also, Ubuntu released the new version twice at the year. That is the 2 in April and another in October. And each version makes in special names. Each previous version animal, and his version is the animal called image Indril. That it is the new features of the version of the genome 40 include the Jarulai, the 4GTK, change the default theme for application, and it has been a long time since Ubuntu left the dark opening, and the new system installed creative with Flutter. That to test it, you have to install a specific installer image and to load one instant in a continuation. Next, white search this is in Google Ubuntu version 21.10 and you have entered the link of page of Linux and to download and install the new version of the system operative. You have to go the Ubuntu page by putting the download version of Ubuntu 21.10. 21.10 and will take to the page where you must choose the image you want at the server, Ubuntu server, and Ubuntu for load, Raspberry Pi, Ubuntu Cloud, and once you give the link, I will install in your computer of ready to use. This is the Ubuntu 21.0.10 ready for to use.